everyone, and welcome to another Around the Year project. Today we're making these cute Easter felt bunny egg warmers, and for those you will need brown, sand-colored or grey felt, white and pink felt, a ribbon, a pen, a needle and some thread. So let's get started. So first of all, I made myself a paper template, and you want to make sure that it's wide enough for an egg to fit inside. My template measures about 8 centimeters across the belly of my little rabbit. And I admit it's a bit on the fatty side, but it would be too annoying if the egg wouldn't fit in here. So about 8 centimeters is a good size. Next, I'll transfer this template onto my grey, brown or sand-colored felt. As you can see, I'm using grey felt. And once I've transferred the template, I'm just going to cut out my bunny. I'm also going to cut out a second bunny for the back side. Now I'm going to quickly sew my two bunnies together using the blanket stitch, and I'm going to sew all around the bunny except for the bottom, as we want our egg to go in here. Once our two sides are sewn together, I'll attach a little pink ear right here using hot glue. And I'm also going to attach a little tail. Next, I'm going to draw the bunny's face and whiskers. And as a final touch, I'm going to glue on this cute little ribbon. And now our Easter Bunny felt egg warmer is done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!